say, so why did God, twin? I just moved to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. I don't know if I said that right, but it's Malaysia. So gang, I know y'all came to the video. Everybody make sure y'all thumbs up this video and comment in the description below if you want to learn information on how to move abroad, if you want to learn information on how to find nice apartments, if you want to learn information on how to make money while living abroad. Everybody comment on this video. I need it, twin. Everybody comment on the video. I need it, twin. And make sure y'all double tap it, twin. So I'm about to show y'all a $230 apartment in Malaysia. I'm talking about it's beautiful, it's immaculate. And I know y'all like, twin, I thought you was living in Thailand. Twin, I thought you was in Thailand. Twin, I thought you was in Thailand. Gang, we gonna get that. That's for another video. So make sure y'all get ready for the house tour. Everybody grab your popcorn. Everybody go use the potty. Everybody stay tuned and watch the whole video all the way through, because at the end of the video, I'm gonna make sure y'all watched it, because I'm gonna give everybody a word. I'm gonna give everybody a quiz. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all some free information that I ain't never told nobody. Free info. I know y'all like all the influencers. All they want to do is charge us. All they want to do is charge you. So this is free information. And I know what y'all gonna do. Y'all gonna try to skip all the way to the end of the video to get the free information. Y'all gotta understand, it's within the video. It's within the video, so you gotta catch it. All right, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the video. Let's get into it. I love y'all. Let's go. This is my Malaysia apartment. So as you walk in, you see the door. As you walk in, you come straight into the kitchen. So I'm gonna start off with the kitchen. I know y'all like, oh, I wish they had a cameraman. I wish they had a. Sometimes you gotta do this shit yourself. Sometimes you gotta do things yourself. Everybody can't get on that elevator, chat. Everybody can't get on that elevator. Sometimes you gotta do it yourself. But look, is this the kitchen and this is the stove? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know in Thailand, they don't have a stove. Hold on, look. In Thailand, they don't have a stove. So in Malaysia, you got an oven. Oh my, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. In Malaysia, they got a stove and an oven. You know what I'm saying? In Thailand, they don't got no oven. They don't got no oven, twin. They want you to stove everything, twin. They want you to stove everything. They don't got no oven in Thailand when it comes to the apartments. And then over here, this right here is the refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? We got a big boy, crazy refrigerator. I'm talking about cold. Got your eggs on this side. Put in your, you know what I'm saying, your fruits on this side. I'm talking about just, the refrigerator is top tier. Like, on the refrigerator, you would think that it was a part of, you know what I'm saying, a closet. So, this right here is more storage space. We got storage space over here. You want to put your jujus and wham whams. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all want to put your fruity pebbles in there. A lot of y'all want to put your cereals in there. A lot of y'all want to act like y'all on a real calorie deficit. Y'all want to get some healthy bars. You can put that right here on the side of, you know what I'm saying? Right here on the side of that, you know what I'm saying? Get that nice refrigerator over there. Everything comes fully funded in Malaysia. You know what I'm saying? There's more storage space right here. You know what I'm saying? We got more storage space. You want to put your, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to put your sauces. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to put your obey. Y'all want to put your slap your mama. I know how y'all be cooking. Y'all want to put Tony in there. Like, look, chat. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Everybody that's on this YouTube video, y'all can't cook without Tony. That's facts. Y'all ain't no real cookers. You can't do it without Tony. All y'all cookers, y'all need Tony. And y'all know what I'm talking about, that green bottle. Yeah, a lot of y'all need Tony. So put your Tonys in here, put your obey in here, put your slap your mama. You know what I'm saying? That's another storage space. Over here, you know what I'm saying? This got your, I don't have the slightest idea what that is, but you gotta put your, you know, you put your stuff at the top of it. You know what I'm saying? You got your nice, got your nice faucet, you know what I'm saying? Got a cool little faucet and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? You got your own dishwasher. I know y'all like twin, they don't be having dishwashers, you know what I'm saying? You got you a dishwasher when you come to this, got your own dishwasher, you know what I'm saying? I don't be knowing, like in Thailand, I don't be knowing that they got dishwashers inside the apartments. But they got dishwasher and they got an oven. So for all my people, y'all wanna move to Malaysia, you know what I'm saying? Got your trash can in this area. You know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna put your trash, it's covered up. And then over here, you got another, you know what I'm saying? You got where you put your dishes in. So you know what I'm saying? This apartment is literally crazy. You got your sectional, you know what I'm saying? Your sectional thing, you know what I'm saying? You wanna eat your pots high, you wanna eat your, you know what I'm saying? Your pots and pans. Then over here, you know what I'm saying? You got your You know what I'm saying? You got your slide out dishes. You know what I'm saying? You want to put your dishes in there, slide out, very unique, very delicate. You know what I'm saying? The kitchen is top tier. Over here, you want to put more dishes in there. You know what I'm saying? Just over here, the kitchen is literally top tier. So this is the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? The kitchen is top tier. Over here, you got your storage spaces. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to get into that at the end of the video. We got your storage spaces over there, but I'm just showing y'all the kitchen is unique. You know what I'm saying? Over here, you got your table. You know what I'm saying? Your table, you want to eat your nice wine and dine. You want to eat your nice dinner and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? This right here is the apartment. Got your nice lighting structures, you know what I'm saying? You got your table right there, you got your dishwasher there. Everything is beautiful, it's unique, man. This is Malaysia. So if y'all thinking about moving to Malaysia, it's a lot of places. Like, this is what I be trying to tell y'all. Everybody be thinking Thailand is the only country you can move to. No, it's a lot of places. Like, everything is cheap outside of America. Cape Town is beautiful. Malaysia is beautiful. Vietnam is beautiful. All these places are beautiful. Stop looking at the tourist place that y'all want to go to. Everybody talk about Thailand. Everybody talk about Vietnam. Everybody talk about this. Like, gang, it's more countries, gang. You got so many other countries that influencers haven't even went to. So many stuff that y'all ain't never seen. So I'm going to tell y'all, bro, just explore the world and go look at the world and choose what is best for you. A lot of people move to these countries just because this influencer made them move to this country. A lot of people just go what's best for you. So let's get into the video. All right, so over here, gang, this is the living room area. This is the living room area. Oh my God, the lightning. The lightning bad? The lightning bad? All right, let's go, hold on, wait. The lightning bad, okay, we can go this way. This can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way. All right, this right here is my favorite because the living room area, I'm not gonna lie. The apartments in Malaysia, I feel like is more bigger and more spacious than apartments in Thailand. So this right here is another spacious, you know what I'm saying, couch. Everything comes fully furnished, you know what I'm saying? You got your TV over here. You got your chair right here. I'm gonna show y'all the TV area. So you got your TV right here. I was over here watching a little movie, you know what I'm saying? Watching a little movie. I don't want y'all to be seeing what I be watching. But yeah, I like how they got this over here. You know, this is not gonna be flowers up here. I know y'all gonna put your trophies. I know y'all gonna put your YouTube plaques. Your YouTube plaques. Like, hopefully one day I get a YouTube plaque. But I know y'all gonna put your baby pictures, you know what I'm saying, your kids pictures. So I really like this area, you know what I'm saying? This area, I like this color right here. I like this, and I like how the TV pop out with the light. So at nighttime, it's like it got like an LED light on the back of it, which is super, super amazing. Love, you know what I'm saying? You can choose to keep this furniture in here, but I know y'all like, nah, that couch ain't it, twin. Yeah, that couch ain't it. But y'all gotta understand, even in Thailand, everything comes fully furnished. So you can be like, twin, you can tell your landlord or whatever the case may be, hey, I don't want this couch. It look like it was made in 1942. They can take it out. But if you ain't got a couch and you ain't trying to buy a couch, everything come fully furnished for you. You know what I'm saying? You got your stove, you got your oven, you know what I'm saying? You got the TV, they give you your couch, you got your free trash can, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, stuff that you need to live in a crib. And I feel like America, once you move into a crib, it's empty. You got to sleep on the blower mattress. So in these countries, they'll give you a desk, you'll get a chair, just everything. It may not be the best, but I'm telling y'all, like, you know what I'm saying, it's something for you to live comfortable until you know what I'm saying, you get your stuff together. You know what I'm saying, you run your check up. So in America, you're going to be sleeping on a blower mattress, and you know, you just know how they go. So, and I'm going to tell y'all, gang, this is the living room, and this is how spacious this is. You know what I'm saying, super spacious. You can play musical chairs, you know what I'm saying? You can play musical chairs around here, and then you lose, you hop on there, you know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all want to do, I don't care, you can do gymnastics. It's very long, very big. I know how y'all be liking y'all space. So this right here is the best thing that's with this apartment. I know y'all been waiting for it. And look, this is the word. If y'all got to this is the word. So everybody, if you got to this part of the video, I need everybody to say, twin, I got to this part of the video. And if y'all say that, I got something special for y'all. Don't be asking me. I got something special for y'all. Just say, twin, I got to this part of the video. Don't come at the time. Don't try to get people to cheat. Just say, twin, I got to this part of the video. And I know I'm going to DM y'all separately, individual, and I got some for y'all. And thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for sharing the video. I appreciate y'all. So now this is the best part of the video, the views. I know y'all like, twin, let me see the views, man. I like views, man. I'm a view type of person. This is the views. Come on, man. You have the views of the tower in this apartment. The front, you have the best views in Malaysia when it comes to this apartment. Look at the views, y'all. I'm talking about the camera not making any justice, but bro, just seeing this in real life, let me step back. Seeing this in real life, it's the views, bro. So when you come from the living room, you walk from the living room, look, let me show y'all. You walk from the kitchen all the way past your living room and you look outside and like, man, I'm just appreciative of my day. You able to see Malaysia. Come on, man. I know y'all love the views, and you got the nice view of the towers in Malaysia. One of the second tallest buildings in Malaysia. Come on, bro. Come on. Stop playing. So I know what y'all thinking. Let me see the bedroom. So this right here is a 1-bedroom or thing. You know what I'm saying? This is a 1-bedroom thing. They got 2 bedrooms. They got 3 bedrooms. I think the minimum is a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom. So this right here is the bedroom. Bedroom is nice. Come with your bed. You can also put a TV out here on your wall. You know what I'm saying? And you also got good views in your room. So not only in your living room is good views, you also got the same good views in your bedroom. So in the bedroom, you got those same good views of the tower on two windows. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about Malaysia. It's a whole W. It's a whole vibe. So you got your bedroom. Bedroom is cool. I know y'all gonna put some nice pictures on here. I know y'all gonna make it player. Families, I know y'all gonna make it nice. Y'all know how we love to, you know what I'm saying? We got good decor. That's facts. We got good decor. So this right here is a 1-bedroom for a single person, you know what I'm saying, for a couple, but they also got a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom, and I'm gonna comment in the description below. I'm gonna comment the name of this apartment. I'm gonna comment the area this apartment is in, so y'all can be able to, you know what I'm saying, if y'all wanna move to Malaysia, y'all can definitely, you know what I'm saying, do what y'all do, you know what I'm saying, and hopefully y'all can invite me over and be like, twin, you can sleep on the couch, and I sleep on the couch, and you know what I'm saying, just because we cool like that. You know? Alright, anyway, come over here. I know y'all be wanting to look at restrooms. We got a lot of girls, they don't play about their restrooms. They be real strategic about their restrooms. They don't play. They need to have a good restroom for them to move into something. So this right here is the restroom of the apartment. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of girls, they love them closets. Y'all love them closets. They, baby, I can't stay there. They closet too small. I got too much stuff. I can't stay. I know about the closet, but this is a 1-bedroom. I ain't did the tour of a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom. You know what I'm saying? So this is the bedroom. This is a, you know what I'm saying, over here, you know what I'm saying, you got your closet space. You got your hangers, you know what I'm saying, you got your shoes up top, you got your stuff right here. You want to put, bro, my camera, what the heck? My camera just drunk a bar, like, gang, wake the hell up. Okay, my camera was clearly doing something. It was just, I don't know what the hell. I need to check my camera for a DUI. But anyway, this is the closet space. You know what I'm saying? You got your closet space. You got your more closet space. You got your drawers right here. Hold on, check. You got your drawers at the bottom. You got your drawers, more closet space. You want to put your drawers in there. You want to put your socks in there, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? This right here is a crazy big mirror. You know, a lot of girls love their mirrors. So this is a crazy mirror right here. Crazy mirror, you know what I'm saying? Got your big mirror. A lot of people want to see their whole outfits. You want to see your whole drip. Crazy big mirror right here. Over here you got your sink. You know what I'm saying? You got your good sink. You got more little open spaces in here. You know what I'm saying? More little open spaces in here. Over here you got your, I really don't like this. I don't know, some of y'all might like it though. I don't like how you got to open up the glass mirror to like get in the restroom. I just want to get in the restroom, but I don't know. You got your toilet right here. You know what I'm saying? You got your nice decor at the top. Got your lights at the top. Got your, where you can put your appliances, whatever the case may be. You can put that right there. I don't like this. Me personally, I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I just want to get into there. I don't like the glass because it be shutting, like sometimes it'll shut, you'll forget, but I don't be liking it. So right here, you know what I'm saying, you got your nice shower head, you know what I'm saying, you got your another shower head right there, you got some soap, put your appliances and all that stuff right there. So this is the restroom, you know what I'm saying? That's the restroom. This is the bedroom. As you can see, the views. I'm just give y'all a quick rundown of what we already did. Quick views, got a mirror right here. Also got a mirror right here, and you got a mirror right here. You wanna look at yourself. This right here is the vibes, the rooms. Come over here, give y'all a quick rundown. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. This is more storage space. So yeah, so yeah. Y'all know in America, this apartment would have been $3,000, $4,000 just because of the views. Yeah, I can't lie, like just because of the view and the area it's in, $3,000. If it was put in Miami, $10,000. If we was put in LA, $25,000. So we on the 60th floor. This is the 60th floor, and this is the apartment, twin. This is the apartment in Malaysia. So, if y'all got to the end of the video, make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all comment all the encouragement words, and would y'all move into this apartment? Get this apartment to scale through 1 through 10. I want to see people's opinions. Would you stay here? Would you live here? Do you love the views? Do you love what you like about it and what you dislike about it? I'm reading all the comments, so make sure y'all keep subscribing to the YouTube channel. Let's get to 10,000 likes on this video. Okay, maybe I set the goal too high. I don't think y'all can get 10,000 likes, but let's see, can we get 5,000 likes on this video? I don't care. Everybody, make you a YouTube channel. Make sure y'all get 5,000 likes, and I'm going to see y'all again in the next video. I'm going to see y'all, twin.